Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the tech gloves in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is in the southeast of the Delisea region, right around this general area. What we're looking for is this giant mechanical pterodactyl flying around in this region. There's a couple of ways to get on its back. First is that there's an actual quest where we get to use an aerial vehicle to get close to it. But we can get to that earlier if we use a couple of stamina meals like these pine mushroom teas that I have. We have a video on this channel on how to make a pine mushroom tea, so make sure to check it out. What you'll want to do is to get to a spot where we'll cross paths with it and keep doing the aerial stab move until we can get on its back. Now all you need to do is defeat it by stabbing these bright colored glass domes on its back. Once you've stabbed everything on its back, a hatch will open in the center. Enter the hatch and at the very end will be the final glass dome that you need to stab. Defeating this boss will reward you with the tech gloves. These gloves will give you 14 attack and 4 defense. But what's special about these gloves is its ability all-purpose arm. This allows you to unlock all locked doors that you encounter in Pyewell. All you need to do is go near to a locked door and a new prompt will appear asking you to use the tech gloves. The only downside of this ability is that it has a 10-minute cooldown. It's good as a last resort if you ran out of keys to use. And that is how to get the tech gloves in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.